Oh, hi guys, and tonight we're off to Seaton in Cornwall. Just a quick pop down to let the dogs run around and have a little drive out. We're in the wife's Beetle today. Beauty of being in a convertible, living in Cornwall, and the sun shines out. Let's have a look and see what happens. So we're here in Seaton, and it's a place I've been coming for many years. It's close to home and it's really great. It's a nice little cafe, it's a nice little pub, and it's still, this time of year, pretty quiet. I think she thinks I'm going to throw it.
Yeah, she's like, that's what she likes.
That's a good girl. This one's not, it's an expensive stick. So, what can I tell you about Seaton? This time of night, it's pretty much all locals, just a few tourists. Come down here after a day's work. It's pretty easy to get to, it's 15-20 minutes from where we live, so it's not too bad at all. Normally, behind me you would see there's a cafe. There's a cafe over there. People would be able to sit and enjoy simple food. As you look at the far distance there, you can see Rainhead, which is just at the very end. Well, it looks like it's not going to be a sunset tonight because the cloud is starting to come in. You can see up there. I think in about 5 minutes we've lost the sunshine. However, we might head off somewhere else and catch a sunset. You never know. A couple of years ago we had a really bad storm, and you can see the defences that have been built up there. The cafe here really hit hard. In fact, the whole beach was really hit hard. I think I've got some photographs somewhere, so if I have, I'll add them into this so you can see just how bad it was hit. The river used to run a totally different direction as well, so if I've got some photos, I will add that in. This is a cafe. Shame it's not open. It's a nice place to sit, have a bowl of chips, a cup of coffee. You know, just a nice place to be. Well, the sun's gone in, and I guess that means we're going to be leaving the beach. So that's Seaton. Before the summertime, before it gets really busy. Some of you probably have been to Seaton before, maybe you come down on holiday, and you know the difference. You know how busy this beach can be.